What's going on, everybody? It's your boy 2D over 3D back again. Another video. This one's a little different. So, my mom's was cleaning out the house for spring cleaning, and she hit the attic, and she told me, she said, get your behind over here because I'm gonna throw away a lot of things. And when I came over, she was about to throw this out. My Tyco Bandit. I had this when I was a kid, man. And look at that. Still in the box. Can you believe she was going to throw this away? And check this out. Let me just turn this around real quick. You see that? Toys R Us, $69.99. I'm hearing these things go for a crazy amount of money online. I still got my charger in the box. I took care of my stuff, So let's just unbox this right here, man, real quick. Hold on. Alright, so first we'll start with the charger. We're gonna charge this up, and this is that look, this still has the what's these instructions or whatever still in there. This is the charger. Just want to show y'all. Yeah, she was trying to throw away all my G.I. Joe collections and everything, man. So look, this is the 4-hour charger. If I remember, you charge it for 4 hours and you get like 20 minutes of driving the car or whatever. So, all right, so that's that. And so let's open up the box and oh man, I remember getting this for Christmas, man, and opening this thing up, man. It feel like Christmas all over again. Oh, all right. So here, that's the controller. I'm gonna have to get a. I believe these take, if I remember, yeah, they take the 9-volt batteries. This is the car. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna clean it off a little bit, but put the battery in here, the bottom, and yeah. So, oh, do I got the antenna? I'm probably lost the antenna. Oh no, the antenna's in here. Okay. All right. Yeah. So that's the Bandit. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It's been some years since I, took this thing out. I was a little kid, So I'm gonna clean this thing up. I'm gonna charge the battery. I'm gonna go to the store and get a 9-volt battery, or send my wife to go get it. And yeah, stay continued. And I'm gonna come back and let's see together, man, if this thing runs or not. So I see y'all back in 4 hours when I charge this thing up. All right, be back. Okay. So that's the Bandit. A little dusty in there. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. I have to find some spray. This bumper's a little bit beat up from playing as a kid. I ordered some more decals. So I'm gonna clean this up nice. And yeah. Come back and show y'all how it look. So I'm back, and this is the end results. So I cleaned it up nice, and not only did I clean it up, I did a couple of modifications. So as you can see, I'm still not done though, but yeah. So I gave it a little license plate. I have to do this this bar over. So I'm waiting for my chrome paint to come. Okay, and I customized the wheels. All right, and gave a front plate too as well. And I have to do this bar as well. As you can see, you know, it's a little beat up from hitting walls and stuff. But other than that, I think she came out nice. You know, she's ready to hit the road. And now that I did this, I really want to, I'm gonna start hunting down bandits now, man, and I'm gonna customize them. And, you know, because she looks really good, man. And I like the way this came out. So now I'm gonna be on a bandit hunt, because I love these trucks. So if anybody got any bandits for sale, let me know. And stay tuned for more videos, man. And if you love bandits like I did as a kid, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of fucking videos now, man. So I'm gonna take it out for a spin, and that'll be the next video. All right.